every step, writing stories that seek to be read, taking hold of the moment as we discover every color filled with wonder. Now we finally see we got everything we need.
Oh, here we go. We call it break.
Ayaw kay Pati. Hilaw! Yung uwi nila at...
A few moments later.
Hey guys, so we are here now at Casa Elise. It's around 1:50 in the afternoon. Yeah, well, welcome to Casa Elise. And how many beds do we have here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Wow, that's a lot.
aircon dito. Pero naman lahat. Okay. Si Nestor hindi pwede sa itaas. Dito na lang siya.
Okay, I think everyone is here. There's lunch here at Elyu. Lunch.
Hi, vlog!
Lunch.
A few inches later.
Hey guys, we're here now at La Union, and what can you say about this place? The waves is very big, yeah. And together with us is cool. We introduce them.
Lola Lina. Lola Marie.
And your cousin,
And
Ate Ina.
this is
Tangayin ka. Hello. Welcome to
La Union!
Union Beach.
Yes. We're going to witness the sunset.
But we can't swim. The water is too high. The water might carry us to the middle ocean.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hi, welcome to
Okay. Welcome to La Union!
Taking hold of the moment as we discover filled with wonder. Now we finally see.
This is our sunset tour on our first day here at Elyu. So, 1, 2, 3. Okay, sama ko sa video to. So for our dinner, we do have like sinigang, torta, ano to?
Day 2.
Tita Marie, anong handa natin for today's breakfast?
sisig bangus, hotdog, isang bigan, lagang oras, lagang itlog, and bagit,
Fried banana.
fried banana,
Wow. Nakatulog ka ba, Mars? Di ba? Very good.
malaki ako
Hello ko, nakawa sa video.
A few moments later.
Once upon a younger year, when all our shadows disappeared, the animals inside came out to play. Face to face with all our fears, learned our lessons through the tears, made memories with everything. One day my father, he told me something
Love you! nakatalon! Hey guys, so we're done with the morning beach activity. Tabi, kamusta ang beach dito?
So far, it's good.
It's good. Christian, how's the beach here? It's stronger?
Nice, right?
This is top. Salamat.
Inches later.
Modra was for today's lunch.
Minuto and picadillo, beef picadillo.
Big Candelaria. Nagtatago pa. De Luna. Yeah, so we are here now at Bato de Luna, 3D Art Gallery. So, kamusta naman ito, PB?
Hello po.
Kamusta ang place?
Maganda po.
You got me, baby, I got your back. Looking at you, thinking about all of
Kamusta naman dito?
that you know me, I can't get enough.
Unique.
We got the future burning the past, good and the bad, make it last. We are what I want and I want what I already got. When you come through the room, I know that you know if you fall, I won't be there. Let's light up,
Kain ulit.
yeah, we take it off, make it easy.
Ito ba kasi na balwa ito wash now.
That's what I like about you. Hey,
This is the balwa to watch.
tell me what you gonna do. Know that I want you, want you. You know that. That's what I like about you. Hey, that's what I like. When you put me in the mood. Hey,
Alon.
that's what I like about you. That's what I like about you. That's what I like about you.
Meanwhile.
Mahal ka bang iba? At baliw na baliw ako sa'yo. Hanggang kailan ako magtitiis? O bakit nga ba? Mahal ka. Bakit nga ba mahal kita? Kahit di napansin ang damdamin ko, di mo man ako mahal, ito pa rin ako nagmamahal ng tapat sa'yo. Bakit nga ba mahal kita? Kahit nga may mahal ka bang iba? Ba't baliw na baliw ako sa'yo? Hanggang kailan ako magtitiis? O bakit nga ba? O bakit nga ba? O bakit nga ba? Hey guys, so here's the sunset at down here. Grabe ganda. This is our menu for tonight, July. And Ate Precious.
What bubble?
Lead and chocolate bubble. Wow.
food trip.
Medyo onting healthy dahil may broccoli.
Cheers!
Day 3.
Yan, yung pang-ano ka na. Match 3. Bito ako lang ang dami ng ani eh. Ay, tawagan mo na lang.
Sige. Hey guys, so it's day 3 here at Elyu and we're going again to the beach. So, hey ka pa? Ayan, pinagbawalan na po kaming lumayo. Sumalakas na yung alot, baka daw mahigit kami. And ngayon, andito na si Master.
A few moments later.
This is match time. Hey guys, so we are here now at Match Temple. Still here at Elyu. Match Temple!
Hours later.
Antok na antok ngayon si Bulldog namin kagabi.
Ay, at si Ramil na, si
A
Ramil.
few inches later.
Hey guys, around 1:30 in the afternoon and we are here now at the Leon Grape Farm. Panahon daw ngayon eh.
May mangustin pa, ma'am.
This is like
Gawa niya,
grape juice. Alright guys, so this is grape juice. Cheers! Cheers! Okay. Parang Bye, Christian.
I'll see you in 3 years, then I'll be driving for you.
Yeah, that's a promise, right?
Wait,
Safe flight later.
Ay pa! Papi! Bella!
Yeah, you should have your driver's license. Then drive for me.
I didn't say I'd be a good driver.
You should be. You should learn it.